Hello Bladers. Making something personalized usually gives our things more meaning. This goes for phone cases, notebooks, tumblers, and even cars. Specific to cars, when they are pimped to our preferences, we usually love them more. After all, they are a reflection of our styles and our personalities, so we often value them more. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Pimp your ride with these Sparco items. This Sparco steering wheel is made with 100% PVC. It has a comfortable grip and it's very easy to install. Get it in black, blue, gray, or red. To match your new steering wheel, grab this seat cover. It will perfectly complement your steering wheel with its classic design. Don't worry, it's the perfect blend of style and function because it's made of polyester fabric with 6mm foam padding, so you're assured that it's made of quality materials. What are you waiting for? Better grab these dope accessories from Blade to personalize your car. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.